Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. It is a Blackberry device. I did rip this because I was trying to take the label off. There we go. It's a Blackberry, doesn't really give a model number. Looks like maybe a production code and everything because this isn't an actual resale unit. This is a testing unit. Doesn't have a battery, but I'm guessing it probably works if I can imagine. I don't know if I have a battery like that. I'll have to see if I can find one and test it out, guys. But yeah, here it is. Looks to be in pretty decent shape. Not bad at all. Just some sticky stuff on the screen. Get it all cleaned up and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.